That touches your heart. It'll bring a tear to the eye.
They've had it real lit up at night. There's lots and lots of signs.
Is this the first time you've been out to see the car?
No, I've been here 2 or 3 times. It's just something that'll keep drawing you back.
What keeps bringing you back out here?
Disbelief. But it's showing. There it is, you know.
Makes you want to just cry and scream at the same time.
I'm just glad to see that people have opened their arms up, showed everybody what they believe in.
Do you see, you know what this means? You see how many people have come over here to show their appreciation for the police officers and for Officer Ellis. And this is kind of them saying goodbye. I'm going to put it right over here. Go around. Come here. It says rest in peace, Officer Ellis. We prayed for 457. That's his badge number.
He used to live in our neighborhood, and my mom is friends with him. And he used to protect our house whenever people because our house almost got broken into before.
Sure, there'll be tears, but at least he's resting in peace and not suffering.
At the visitation last night, I asked to see if she wanted to pray for him and just make sure and tell him that he's okay and pray that God takes care of him up in heaven. Do you want to say a prayer or anything while we're here, Bubby, since you didn't get to go last night?
You can say it in your head too.
Yeah, you don't have to say it out loud if you don't want to.
I'm just so proud that people are willing to do that, and that we were able to show them that support today.
We'll go to the procession. Uncle Brandon will be in it in his police car.
We brought out, 18 trucks. We just thought about it. We were like, we really need to show our support because, not everybody does it around school, and we was like, we need to really stand out and show it that we really care.
Richmond and Madison County, and not only our county, I know there are other counties that are doing this today as well as the procession goes by. So it just makes me feel proud to know that we're standing together today.
It means a lot. It means a whole lot, You're having a tough time, you come together and you talk to one another. It means a lot to each other,
They've come together like I didn't think they ever could. He's at peace now.